Okay, I have received enthusiasm. More than was expected. Luckily, I can deliver. So the first thing to know is there doesn't have to be a reason for ass crack hair. There are some parts of our bodies that we have that we don't have a good reason for. There was just no pressure against it, so it's there. So it could just be that there's no reason to not have ass crack hair, and so we have ass crack hair. I hate that. It can't be that. It could be, but it can't be. I can't accept it. So I have two theories that aren't that. This is the one that I like less. I'll start with that one. Most of our body hair we have because of what's called sexual selection. So mates just prefer it. Our head hair is a great example of that. People are like, oh, but your head will get sunburned. Well, why don't I have hairy shoulders then? We have head hair because we like it. It's that is how sexual selection works. It's very strange. It's why there's very brightly colored birds, because the female birds are like, I like that. Why do they like it? Don't kink shame. Don't kink shame a bird. What are we talking about? Now I know what you're thinking. There is no sexual selection toward booty crack hair, Hank. You cannot convince me of that. No one ever saw two potential mates and was like, I want the one with the hairier crack. And you're right, but we know for sure that armpit hair is there to increase smell, so that people will have stronger personal smells. Is that sexual selection, or is it just a way of identifying yourself non-verbally? We're not entirely sure, but maybe we have butt crack hair to increase our smell profile. I don't like this one. For maybe not scientific reasons, I just don't like it. It's hard for me as a modern human to imagine that it would be evolutionarily advantageous to have a stinkier butt. But I would love to see research investigating it, is all I'm saying. But third, the thing that I actually think it is: chafing. So our butt crack is one part of our body that is constantly touching itself, and people are made to walk. We run around. That's one of the things we're very good at. And chafing isn't just an unpleasantness. It can make it more difficult to survive if you have to run down prey. Also, it can cause infection that could potentially kill you. You don't want to have open wounds where the poop is. And butt crack hair can help with chafing potentially, I don't know if this is true, in two different ways. One, the hairs are round, so they actually can sort of flow past each other, kind of like big, long ball bearings. And secondarily, it can trap sebaceous secretion, so the waxy stuff that your body secretes. It can trap that, which is a sort of natural lubricant, and keep it in place for longer. And that strikes me as something that will be fairly easy to study. You just talk to a bunch of people who run a lot, you ask them how much trouble they have with chafing, and then you measure how much butt crack hair they have. Boom, research done.